Want to know how many words are in a single cell in Excel? Let me show you a simple formula that does just that. Here's a column with different sentences. We will be using 3 different functions to do the job. I will start with the first len function, which gives the total character count. The trim function will help us to remove the extra spaces. Enter a second len function to return the number of characters once the spaces between each word have been removed. Then, the substitute removes the spaces from the text. Finally, add 1 to add to the count of these words. Here you have it. We have counts of each word for each row. Super helpful for preparing reports, analyzing text responses, or content cleanup. This is tutorial number 12 in our 500+ Excel tips and tricks series. Subscribe and stay tuned for more bite-sized, practical Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.